be used to enhance our humanity and not eliminate it. And I think what I'd done with the data when I was looking at my grandfather was that I wanted to prove my bias about my grandfather. And the bias I wanted to prove was that my grandfather loves his cattle more than he loves me. And we do that a lot when it comes to data. We want to prove our biases. And you may be wondering, so Khaya, what does this have? What's that got to do with it? And that is to be spoken to that Turner. But what that, I'll tell you why. I'm going to use an example. I used to work for a very well-known company called Coca-Cola. Anybody's heard of this company? Very unknown. So I used to work for Coca-Cola. And when I worked for Coca-Cola, I decided that I needed to understand what kind of ads resonated and what ads didn't work. So I went to a research agency and asked them to do some work for me. And I said, if you could go over the last 10 years, look at every single industry. So look at cars, look at banks, look at beer, look at cell phones, and look at the common threads that made work great and the common threads that made work really terrible. What were they? A few months later, the agency comes back with a whole, and it's very, very extensive research. And what was quite interesting, that one of the number one things that really would work, an ad worked really well, there was food on the table. It was weird, it was food, but if it was chicken, it was even better. And the number one thing that did not work for black consumers was having an animal in the ad. If there was an animal in the ad, the evidence was irrefutable, you couldn't deny it, it was very clear. And so, the very first Jericho campaign, a few months later, I briefed my agency at the time to come back with this fantastic ad that I love. Does not have a dog. Beautiful, and I love this ad. It's got a dog, and I'm like, oh my goodness. But this is such a lovely ad. It's such a beautiful ad. It's fantastic. I love it. And then I said, okay, guys, let's go and present this to you. Everybody back at Coke. And I'm hoping no one remembers the research. I'm hoping nobody's going to remember it. And they go there and they present this ad. And I'm laughing, kind of telegraphing so that everybody else likes the ads along with me. And then what happens is that now everybody looks at me, my boss, and they turn to me, they say, so this is the ad you say you are buying. I said, yeah, it's an amazing ad. But don't you remember that the research that you commissioned a few months ago said that black people don't like animals in their ads? And I said, yes, this is true. But we think it's going to, I think it's absolutely going to work. And the question was, why do I think it's going to work? And I said the difference here is that what the research agency didn't do was that they stopped at the data. They did not try to understand why the data was saying what it was saying. And I said, if you look at all the ads that didn't work with animals, it's because you had an animal in the house being treated like a freaking human being. It's sitting in your bed, it's sitting in your couch. You're not gonna see a dog in the couch with your house, in the couch doing that. And again, it's licking your face, And in the township, dogs are supposed to be outside, and then the job to do, and they walk outside the township. That's what they do. And I think the difference with this particular dog is that it's doing what the dog is supposed to do. It's walking outside. It's just out there outside. And although the difference with this particular dog was that it could read, but that's beside the point. So this dog could read, I was looking for its name on also from Coke. I'm not going to show the ad, it's delayed time. You can YouTube, you know it. Yeah, you know it. So now, to the credit of my boss at the time, she says, I am going to trust you. Go ahead and shoot this ad. And I get the biggest budget I've ever had in my life. The responsibility on my shoulder at this point, I was like, oh my goodness, I think I'm going to destroy an incredible campaign. I have all sorts of self-doubt while I'm looking at this. I take the ad to the research agency because you can't find an ad without taking it through research, take it to research, and the research agency, oh my God, it's going to fail definitely. It's just not going to work. Don't you remember the research you asked me? That there are no animals in ads? And I'm like, guys, it's okay, just do your job. I'll do mine. So they come back with the research. I have never seen research people so happy in my entire life. It's like they made the ad themselves. They're like, they're like ability scores are through the roof. We've never seen numbers like this. It's incredible. It's the best ad we've ever tested. Ever in our history. And they start going to, they look at what ad that Coca-Cola had done over the last 12 years, like 6,000 worldwide, and it's like, it's in the top 2% best performing ever of all time. It's like they literally like they made the ad. And so the point I'm making here is that if you had the wrong people in the room, that ad would have been kicked out. Because they would have looked at the data and they said, this is what the data says, without understanding why. And I feel that a lot of marketers do not try to go beyond the facts that the data says.